Hey guys, as you are watching this video, let me read you something about a BTS member. Hope you won't get bored. Born September 1, 1997, Busan, South Korea. Birth name John Jungkook. Nicknames Jungkook, Justin Siegel, Jungkookie, Cookie, Golden Maknae, Cookie, and JK. Height 5.8, in meters 1.75. Jun Jungkook was born in Busan, South Korea. At just 13 in international age, he received casting offers from seven entertainment companies, but in the end chose Big Hit Entertainment because of RM, who is now his bandmate and leader of BTS. Because he was so young, BTS attended his middle school and high school graduations. Also, being the youngest, he is the only Gen Z group member. He is often referred to as Golden Maknae by ARMY, BTS's fanbase. The reason for this is because he is good at so many things. Maknae refers to the youngest in a K-pop group. The golden is because Jungkook is good at pretty almost everything. This includes singing, rapping, dancing, sports, drawing, photography, videography, composing, imitations, acting, bowling, gaming, and more. He even directed their music video Live Goes On. Along with his bandmates, they have dominated the charts and broke records left and right. On August 12, 2022, BTS had acquired 26.7 billion views on YouTube, making them the most viewed artist in YouTube history. In 2022, they also set the record for the most Group of the Year wins at the MTS VMAs with their fourth consecutive year. One of their largest, though, maybe being the first Korean group to be nominated for a Grammy in 2020 or speaking at the United Nations for their UNICEF campaign in 2018. He and his band members have partnered up with artists such as Charlie Puth, Snoop Dogg, Benny Blanco, Halsey, Jason Derulo, Steve Aoki, Charlie XCX, and more. Some personal achievements of Jungkook's were being named the sexiest international man in 2020 by People magazine. His solo, Euphoria, sold over 4 million copies, making it the highest selling B-side track by a Korean artist, and another solo song of his, My Time, dominated in sales and the World Digital Song Sales chart and has reached 50 million plus Spotify streams. At just 21, Jungkook was the youngest recipient of the distinguished 5th class Hangwon Order of Cultural Merit Medal, along with his six other bandmates. Exceptional singing and dancing ability, his bunny-shaped teeth. Member of a boy band BTS, has a black belt in Taekwondo. Hobbies include playing the guitar, photography, video editing, and drawing. Is said to be a really good cook. Speaks Korean, Japanese, and basic English. He is part of the so-called Maknae line, the other two being V and Jimin, which is the name for the youngest BTS members. Before joining BTS, he was a handball player. He has the habit of sniffing as he has ready teeth. When he was younger, he considered to be a professional badminton player. His mother dreamed of gold before he was born. He is the youngest member of BTS, hence the nickname Golden Makhne or Golden Youngest. Favorite artists include Charlie Puth, with whom he later recorded the duet Left and Right, Justin Bieber, Adam Levine, and Troye Sivan. Prefers to sleep on rolled up towels as opposed to a pillow. Is a night owl, usually goes to sleep at 4 am. Is a global brand ambassador of Calvin Klein from 2023 till present. Jungkook has an older brother. In 2023, Jungkook became the first Korean soloist since PSY to chart in top 40 of Billboard's Hot 100 for 8 weeks.